I was reading a really great email from someone who had picked up Infinity Scalper. And first thing I'm going to say is they said they could have made a lot of money this morning. I just want to cut you off right there and just say that if you just purchase this and you're trading real money, that's the wrong thing to be doing. Okay, you should be totally understanding what makes your setups. You should understand every nuance of the trading strategy. You should also understand risk management. Exceptionally important there. There's nothing more important than that. That was actually just one of those alerts that show up. So, anyways, their question was they're looking at the pound US as one of their favorite currencies to trade. They said they mostly swing trade it, and the problem was when they came in this morning, there was never any pullback that they could trade. As you can see down here, we're all green, right? So it's we're in an uptrend, and there was no red that showed up in their trading time. Now remember, you're not trading the entire morning, right? The first 2 or 3 hours of a session, from 8 to 11 is the times you want to be looking at. And over here is when you start going short. But again, this is outside your trading time frame. So this video is for you, and I'll email you directly and let you know this video is up. I've covered this before, and remember, Infinity Scalper works on both the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart. So you can actually combine both charts, both time frames. So what you could have done this morning is you come in for 8 o'clock, which is here, and you see we're already in green. You can actually just put your line where we went green. Okay, so anything after this, obviously longs. And then your next step is quite simple. Drop down to your minute chart. You can actually have the 5-minute chart on your right-hand side or your left-hand side or up or bottom, doesn't matter. And then drop down to your 1-minute chart. So now we know that the higher time frame, the 5-minute chart, is telling us that we are only looking for longs. So multiple time frame trading. Okay, just think of it that way. That's what we're looking at. So here's where's 8 o'clock? This is 6 in the morning. I'm looking at 6. All these shorts you would totally ignore if you're trading this time frame. All right, so we get in here. This is 8 o'clock right here. It's a long trade setup right here. The entry is at 29.59. 29.59, yeah. Whether you adjust or not, it's entirely up to you, okay, around these little levels here. And if you want to put in some technical analysis, just think of this. You know, we got this downtrend line being broken right here on this break above it, okay? So technically, that is a long trade, right? If you understand trend line trading. But let's just keep this video nice and short and sweet. You could get in your trade here, which is on this candle here. Pulls back against you for 4 pips, right? Now it turns red. You are not looking for short trades, right? We're only looking for long trades because our 5-minute time frame is up. So you can actually get out here like you're supposed to, right? Because this would be a way to use your stops. Or you could say, I'll get out when it breaks the pivot low here. Whatever you decide through your testing. And then you come around here to 8.16, another long trade. Remember, we stay long, right? Because our 5-minute chart is up. And this trade goes all the way up to here. This trade here is roughly a 32 pip scalp. Okay? Like again, that's if you're getting out here. If you did not get out here, right? Some traders will, some traders won't. If you did not get out here and you held on and you're trailing your stop up and maybe you're trailing under these pivots, or you're using a support and resistance kind of thing. For example, up here was resistance before it broke through. You can see we got all these multiple touches. Let me just put a line there so you can see it. All right, some people say, well, go to the extremes. Well, when I do support and resistance, it's actually inside of extremes. Wouldn't matter either way. You could say, okay, well, if it breaks this here, I will get out. But if you got out here, following the rules, right, you're looking at 31 pips. And if you get back in, because you're looking between 2 and 3 hours of trading, so if you're still trading it, you would get back in on this candlestick right here, or the close. And you're getting out over here for about an extra 17 pips, okay, when this turns down. And that would be your day. So that's over 50 pips. So again, if you're coming into your session, even if you're not even if you just want to bring it up this way, and you do see that you start to get runs in price, like we do see here, we're making a nice pattern of higher highs and higher lows. You may want to put up a 5-minute chart and a 1-minute chart, trade the 1-minute chart in line with your higher time frame trend. Okay. And you can either hold your 1-minute trades and use your 5-minute exits. Okay. So what that basically means is this, because I keep on switching around so I get these alerts for that, which basically means this. If you get out here, if you get in here, where's our entry? Let's just put it here just to throw it up somewhere. Just put it a little bit higher. No, sorry, that's 6 o'clock. Let's put it here. Where's our 8 o'clock start time? Right here. Let's put it here. Then you would just turn over to your 5-minute chart and just keep on trading this up until you get the reversal here. So this trade would have given you, 60 pips. So you can use that. You can use the higher time frame exits. Let's keep it short. If you want to pick up Infinity Scalper, there's a link below, there's a link above. Pick one. And that's it. Hope this helps.